team Forex Moguls. I'm back again with another banger. So namhlanje ngizokwenza into ehlukile mayelana noku-reacta towards the most anticipated forex trader, and he's from Ghana. Sorry uma ukuthi ngipronounce wrong. WaseGhana, igama lakhe uKhojo Forex. Ngimaze isikhathi esijana kakhulu, ngeke ngamlandela nje uKhojo Forex. Ngeke ngamlandela nje isikhathi eside. So manje ngireacta to ivideo yakhe yokuqala ayenza, just ukuthi to get an inspiration from i-source of i-vision yakhe, yabo. And nje ngiyazi ukuthi uzobe ekhuluma isingisi because obviously akayena wala eSouth Africa. So ngifuna ukuthi silalele, especially for ama-beginners, lalele nje veze ukuthi experience yakhe nestory sakhe sithini. So without first wasting isikhathi eside, let's get into it.
What is up, guys? My name is Kojo Forex, aka GBP Trader, aka the Market Sniper, aka the Forex Assassin, aka King of Blues. I'm 27 years and I'm from Ghana, and for the past 7 years I've been trading the Forex market. I'm so glad you guys are here watching my first YouTube video. So join me on my journey, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Yeah. Yabona ukuthi ngendlela eyenze ngayo, this guy knew what he was doing.
So I want to share with you guys how I got into Forex trading, and it dates back about 7 years ago, which is 2012 thereabout, when I was in my first year in the University of Ghana Business School. So actually what happened was that I actually wanted to be a stockbroker after school. So I was taking the professional stock brokerage course in the Ghana Stock Exchange. But along the line when I was learning how
Guys, make sure ukuthi nithatha ama-notes nje, ukuthi ngalesikhathi ekhuluma nithatha ama-notes, because izinto azozichaza nazozi-explain. Nami nje it's my first time watching le video, so ngenzela ukuthi ni-understand, like ni-draw if it's inspiration without i-mentorship per se. As a beginner, you wouldn't understand ukuthi yini lo yenzayo. So ngicela nilalele nje mfethu. Ngingathi ukuthi ngile ngikhatha short, but ngenzela ukuthi nilalele.
to trade stocks, I realized that there are different aspects of the financial market. We have the stock market, the forex market, the commodities market, the index market, and I took so much interest in the forex market because of its easy availability and accessibility to new beginners like you. And I actually wanted to study the Ghana to study and be a stockbroker in the Ghana Stock Exchange. So I took a professional stock in being a stock trader. But along the line, I realized that there are different aspects of the financial market.
Yeah.
You've got the stock market, you've got the currency market, you've got the index market, and the commodities market.
Yeah.
So I decided to specialize in the forex market because of its easy accessibility and then its easy penetration for especially beginners with low or very small income. So when I actually started trading, I really didn't really understand what the whole forex market was about.
Yeah.
I'd watched some YouTube videos like a lot of beginners.
And another thing, entayibekayo mfethu, wonke umuntu mfethu okokuqala nje, wonke umuntu nje mfethu mefuna ukuthola ulwazi nge-forex markets, akekho umuntu ongangeni mfethu ku-YouTube to Google mfethu. And yazi into ebuhlungu, sekugcwele information eningi mfethu ku-Google naku-YouTube. Kugcwele information, ugcina usungazi ukuthi yiphi into ekufanele uyenze. Naye he's sharing that story ukuthi nami ngaqala kanjalo. Yabo, it's more relatable. Ngaqala kanjalo because i-level akuyona manje uKhojo Forex uhlala eDubai, bro. But look at his beginning. You need to understand the beginning yakho. So so that the future izoba ne-meaning. You need to know your vision.
Would do, and I still really wasn't getting the whole idea of the forex market. So to put it in perspective, it actually took me a long time to understand the whole perspective of how the forex market actually works. And when I mean a long time, I'm actually talking about 3 to 4 years of studies, consistent studies to be.
Hey, mna sekwaphela ngisho 10 years. on and off, on and off, on and off, cause span work, yabo, and you have to grind ama responsibilities, yabo. It's until now nje manje sengiqala sengithi azini like ngiyayenza lento, yabo, ngiyayenza lento. I'm focusing on it, ngifaka ama resources kuyona, and I'm trying to make means ukuthi not that iskill angis-understand, but you know khona lento yokuthi time and seasons, yabo, uthola ukuthi awaka-align kahle ukuthi yazi uvele uthi yazini manje ngiyenza full time lento. So I totally understand what he's saying.
Before I was able to understand the whole nature of how the forex market actually operates, right? So in my first year, in my first trial, I started trading with a $300 account. By then, I was still being taken care of by my parents, so I didn't really have so much financial obligation. So I was using part of my stipend to fund my trading account, right? Maybe it was a beginner's luck, but I didn't blow that $300. I actually doubled that $300 in a span of 4 days, right? So that sparked my interest in the forex market, because by then I was still using my mobile phone to trade, right? So I was just buying and selling. I was using a very random support and resistance sort of a strategy, or let's say RSI, overbought, oversold resistance, kind of an indicator, right? These days I don't trade with an indicator, but back then I was using RSI, support and resistance. When it's above the 70, I short. When it's below the 30, I buy. So scalping on the 5-minute, 1-minute time frame, buying, selling, I was able to double that $300 into $600 in a span of 4 days.
Ngeke uzuyenze manje leyo nto. Ungayenza back then, but now mfethu isishintshe kakhulu imarket. Ishintshe kakhulu imarket, and ama-market makers hayi mfethu akusahambi kahle. Akusahambi kahle bafethu. Dala maybe njengoba umuzwa nje, because this thing is like 5 years old. Yo.
And like I said, it sparked my interest in the forex market. And the interesting aspect was that because I wanted to feel how real this market was, I withdrew that profit, including my capital, and I spent it on myself. And I realized that no, this is actually a very easy way to make a lot of money from the comfort of my home once I have a smartphone. So I started really reading around it and seeing how I could make a career of the forex market. So unlike many beginners, my journey into the forex market wasn't really a rough one because of my orientation, right, and then my business background. But sometimes I hear a lot of beginners saying they stumble upon the forex market by somebody introducing them, and then they also wanted to find a means to make money, so they got involved in the forex market, and then so many people end up blowing their account. Because of my perspective of the way I got involved in the forex market from the professional perspective, I started really looking at doing things the professional way. So I didn't have, excuse me to say, Instagram traders as my look up to, but I was actually looking up to people that have really built successful careers in the industry, like Paul Tudor Jones, George Soros, Ray Dalio, who are the biggest hedge fund managers globally, if we're talking about people that are actively involved in trading the financial market, and especially the forex or currency market. I was taking professional courses, I was taking in-depth studies and reading a lot of books, tons and tons of books that gave me consistent knowledge about how the forex market really operates in terms of the whole concept, people's strategies, people ideologies, how to really forecast the currency movement, catch tops, catch bottoms, you know, ride on trends, ride on momentum, and stuff like that. So I took time to understand almost all the indicators that are on the MT4 and almost all systems that have been advertised as profitable even on YouTube, right? So because of that, it lengthened my learning curve, and I wasn't in any rush at all, because I knew that I had 4 years for school, and then even if the forex market flopped, I could always go and get an accounting job, right? So after school, I had a very good entry-level job, which is as a revenue account officer in one of the most reputable corporations in Ghana, which is the National Petroleum Authority. So I was working as a revenue account officer for about a year, and then I had a contract to extend it, right? So I was working hard and at the same time trading alongside So I was making income from the market, and I was making income from the job as well,
Mm.
right? So it got to that point where it was around early 2016, 2017 thereabout, where I finally decided to call it a quit with the job market and then focus strongly,
On
actively, and
Forex.
consistently on Forex,
Yeah.
and becoming a full-time trader. So when it comes to the real objective of this video is basically my first YouTube video to introduce you guys about how I plan on carrying my channel and
Yeah.
then taking it to the maximum height, right? So I
Yeah.
see a lot of people teaching so much crap on YouTube because like I said, my experience on the market has been so long, right? For the people that know me on Instagram and have been following me for a long time, you know
Yeah.
how I call markets tops and market bottoms to perfection, right?
Yeah.
That's how come with the introductory part, I said one of my nicknames or AKA is a sniper trader because of my
Yeah.
entry.
And angeke ngidlale ngawo. He's a master in sniper. He's a sniper master mfethu. Yabona indlela strategy asisebenzisayo ese-technical and isidinga umuntu vele onesineke. Yabo, uma ungalandela i-strategy sakhe and if you go to his videos you will see, and ngizoyifaka i-link yakhe down below to this original video. Make sure ukuthi uyi-check out uzoyibona, and you will see i-YouTube channel yakhe from 5 years ago until now. So nje what he's talking about is very true, and ngiyayithanda i-consistency yakhe shame, bengaxhamazeli, and mengena kwi-market he builds like step by step, uyabuilda step by step, he's building. Akayena lo muntu othi uma ukuthi you go to the markets and like now yonke into nje now usunemali. No, akanayo lento. It's all about discipline, dedication, nanama goals anawo ukuthi okay, this week ngenza ukuthi, this week ngenza ukuthi, and nje from what he has achieved in his life, bro, like this guy did it.
Level in the market, right? It took a lot of practice, a lot of dedication for me to get to that point where I could be able to find entries at the market tops and market bottoms, right? I've got to that point where I want to establish YouTube presence and then train a lot of the youth, right? 1 million youth. My objective for the next 2 to 3 years is to be able to train 1 million sub-Saharan African youth to be able to be full-time professional traders and then work from the comfort of their home or wherever they feel comfortable and be independent on their own. So that's how come I even have this shirt here, right? $1 million for 1 million youth by the end of 2022. And that is a goal I believe that I can actively achieve when you guys subscribe to this channel, support me, and then we learn and grow ahead. This is why I want to chip in something important and then draw back in my journey. So nothing has been all smooth throughout.
Yeah.
Just like the way I started sharing with you that my background and you feel like Forex is so easy. I never
Yeah.
had any problem. I never blew an account.
Yeah.
I had some part of a very difficult period in my life where I came to face a lot of challenges, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So
Yeah.
eventually when I got to that point where I felt like I have gained some level of consistency, I sit out with a couple of friends and then my senior colleagues in the job market
Yeah.
that look, now I've chosen a part of trading the Forex market and I've got some skills. Can you guys lend me, or could you let me money some form of funds for you about
Yeah.
back then, and the highest I had was about $1,000, right?
Yeah.
And then another person gave me about $500. So in all, I had just
One-
$1,500 set out for myself to start trading and living off the world with $1,500. In my first 2 or 3 weeks in that journey, I lost half of each of the accounts.
Yo,
The $1,000
Jesus.
became $500, and then $500 account became $250 account. And I said to myself that I'm not going to lose this money because of a previous experience I had faced, right? To share with you that previous experience,
Yeah.
I had a colleague who was well funded, right? Who was so much interested in the
And another thing, le journey ye market idinga ukuthi uthole umuntu who will believe in you. Yabona mfethu, each and every successful trader, I've realized that there was someone mfethu or who was willing to risk whatever they had. As much as sometimes kungabanga direct, sometimes it became indirect ukuthi umuntu a yabo empilweni yalowo muntu because they believe in their dreams yabo. So somehow somewhere along the line you need to just know ukuthi someone needs to believe in you yabo, as much as bengeke abanye bakuveze like direct ukuthi okay I believe in you, but kunabantu mfethu yabo. Mina bethi i-forex angidlale ngawo. It's one of the hobbies I enjoy like doing, like ngithatha njenge hobby now because sengiyayi understand a little bit. Angisho ukuthi nami ngikwi perfection, but sengadlula kuleyo phase yokuthi manje I call it a dream yabo, because sengidlule ey'ntweni ey'ningi kuyona. Seyifana ne-hobby kumina yabo, but i-hobby engasoze ngayilahla because ngiyayi-enjoy. Le fact ukuthi ngingakwazi ukungena kwi-market on a certain time, certain trade, a certain setup, I can make a certain amount. Faith leyo nto, it's a free will from God, like serious. It's like you going to the bank with vaults and take whatever you want and just go. Ungazange mfethu uze uboshwe. So bro, lento ayikhulumayo like ngiyayizwa.
Forex market. So we jumped in to start a partnership in trading together, right? So back then we funded our account with a $2,000 where we're trading it back and forth, just like the way I was trading my $300 account using the RSI, right? So one particular very opportune day, we were able to take that $2,000 to $4,000, right? So $2,000 to $4,000. And the interesting aspect, and then the sad, is interesting and sad at the same time, is that we lost the whole $4,000 that very day. And that was the day that changed everything in my life and in my journey in the forex market, because it brought a lot of fear to me in the market. And I felt like that was it for me. I was done in the market, and I could never be a full-time trader. Losing $4,000 in a single day, that was it for me. So I actually took about 1 month off the market, right? I took 1 or 2 months off the market without actively trading at all, and I was reminiscing and thinking about my life.
Hey, dami yake angishaya lento. Yake angazi ingakanani imali esengiyiluzile kwi-market, but yazi bese kunalento. Ngineshovu futhi uzoyisho nale. Kunalento ela ngaphakathi enhlizweni yakho elibe lithi nje keep going. You will understand it, you will learn it, and you will master it. Keep going. Yabo lento umdlandla mfethu nentshikiselo ne-hope, angazi ukuthi ngingakuchaza ngithini ngamagama ajulile, kodwa excuse, iyona nto eyayingigqugquzela ngaphakathi cause sithi isiZulu iphupha lifa umnikazi esaphila, and leyo nto I can testify iyona, iyiqiniso. Even till today, since nje ngayiqala imarket close to 2017, ngiqala nje ukuphesuka nje i-interest yami kwi-forex, up until today bro, ngathi ngiyayilala ngiyayiphupha, and nje angeke ngiyiyeke until kuze kwenzeke lokufisa ukuthi engifisa kwenzeke. Futhi nakhona angijahile, angitatazeli, angijahile. Ayikho nje into engijahile kwi-market with regards to making it. Like there's no need ukuthi ngijahe, cause eventually izozenzakalela lento as long as you put in the work yabo. One thing I've realized about impilo ukuthi ayifuni ujahe and ayifuni uthande izinto, ayifuni wenze izinto eziphambene nawe, ifuna nje uhambe ngepace yakho no-understand ijeni yakho. That is forex for you. Ngingakufundisa iskill manje, but ukufundisa iskill sami manje ngeke kusho ukuthi manje yonke into izokwenzeka uzoblow up. You still need to digest it ngendlela yakho iskill. us understand basically, us-understand nje skill nje sonke ukuthi okay fine sisebenza kanje nawe usi-understanda kanje. So yonke into inesikhathi mfethu, impumelelo nje inesikhathi.
And what is next for me, right? So to come back to that point where I had that $1,000 and $500 account, reflecting on the fact that I had lost $2,000 or $4,000 in total on the market before, I didn't want to go back to that crossroad of actively blowing an account. So when that account was 500 and then 250 half, then I was like, that was it. I'm going to call these people and hand over their money to them. So that was a very big challenge I faced, right? Many of you may have faced similar challenges or in different perspectives, right? But that was a big challenge, a big stepping stone that pulled me back and then made me realize that for me to actually succeed in this as a fund manager that I want to be, and then a hedge fund manager, actually the first hedge fund manager in Ghana that I want to be, then I have to really be patient, understand the skill set, not really rush into taking people's funds now. And then when I feel confident and understand properly how the market runs and the risk management involved in this activity, so I can set myself out. So finally, when I got to the point where I felt like I was consistently a profitable trader and I was making money on my own, posting my trade setups out on Instagram and all my social media, right? It attracted a lot of following and a lot of people became passionate about getting involved in the forex market, but they didn't know how. And then those who were already even involved kept on losing money and then blowing their account, right? So this was the evolving of the whole Kojo Forex community, right? So I set out that I am going to set up a community of traders, like-minded traders, where I'm going to be teaching them the proper way to get started in trading, at the same time teach them at a professional level my ultimate sniper entry strategy for them to be able to consistently make some money off the market on a regular basis and be able to live off trading and be able to live off trading as a full-time career and then making money off the market like that, right? So Kojo Forex community has a very simple objective, which is to train interested people who want to go full-time in forex market to get started the right way, at the same time to bring together a community of like-minded people who would always be taking trades together on the sniper entry and then making interesting money off the market on a regular basis, right? So I've got a very full cut out vision for where I'm taking this whole community to. I promise you a lot of content coming out, a lot of involvement, a lot of detailed market concepts that is nowhere online, right? Because I actually study the market from the institutional point of view, institutional trading level, right? Where I use psychological level, market inflow orders, top down levels, which is nothing online like you watch.
And another thing, guys, ikhona i-course ka-Eunice ye-forex. I think with 6 months, if I'm not sure. You can actually go and study i-forex, specifically forex. Ungazwenza into forex nje ukuthi kuphela, I'm not sure ukuthi laphana-ke banifundisa ama-strategies, but if there's anyone in the comment section owake wathola ukuyenza leyo course, please comment down below and just give us at least nje i-overview ukuthi wena wayithola njani leyo course, yabo. Make sure nje guys ukuthi ke siyasizana and we grow together, because nami I'm still growing. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I'm still growing, you know what I mean?
On YouTube, where a lot of people stack their trading chart with so much indicators and then you do not even know what they are trying to interpret on the market. My chart is usually very clean cut. I am a price action trader focusing solely on price action movement on the market, where I catch the market from the very top or the very bottom of the trend, right? So if you're new to this channel, I need you to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. I promise you guys exciting video, deep content that is nowhere on the internet about the forex market, right? Also follow me on all social media platforms, Kojo Forex on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, and also join the Kojo Forex channel so that you become a member or a family to the Kojo Forex community. Everything that I've said, I'll leave the link below in the description. Click on the link to join the channel, click on the link to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and click on the link to also join the Kojo Forex community on Telegram, where I share 1 to 3 trade signals every day for free for anybody who...
Alright, that's to say pelile love. So Guys, I hope nizwile ke lento le ijeni yakhe. I hope ni understandile. Make sure ukuthi you go to his channel Kojo Forex, and I will put ilo link down below to his or to this video, or to his channel, so that uzokwazi ukubona yonke lento le. So if you want to ukuthi you want me to hear more of amanye ama-reactions that I'll be doing, and nje ngizobe ngenza abantu which I myself personally have experienced with regards to indlela aba-trader ngayo, that I've went through abanye education. This is just for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just nje educational purposes kuphela, ekutheni sifundisane nje yabo kule community, because ngifisa ukuthi sonke sazi ukuthi okay, what is it to look for, and then which steps to take for beginners especially. Yabo ngiyababona abadala, yabo abantu sebejulile kule industry, but thina ke sisakhama up ke, yabo kuzosiza lokho. And I know ukuthi sinama followers close to not close to, above 2,000 followers. But guys, let's grow together. And enye into engifisa ukuthi ngiyi-emphasize kakhulu la imake ngizo I just want everyone to know kusa-early nje. Okay, wait kancane. And one of the things engifisa nje ukuthi niyazi guys ukuthi i-channel yethu nje specifically idila nokufundisa, and asiwenzi nje ama-signal, asinawo ama-signal, asithembisi futhi ama-profits, yabo asithembisi ama-profits, siyafunda. And siyafunda la ukuze uzimele, yabo ufunde nje ukwazi ukuzimela. That is the main purpose of this channel, ukuthi siyakufundisa so that uzozimela, uzokwazi ukuzimela, yabo. Umuntu angabi nokuthi khona i-group yama-signal or kukhona ama-profits. No, yonke into uzoyithola kwi-channel is for the purpose of learning. We are all learning. Akukho la uzokuzwe khona sengithi ngidayisa ama-signal or no. Umuntu nje understand ukuthi the whole reason why you are here in this channel ufuna ukuzofunda. That's it. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, guys. On a road to 3,000 subscribers, sikhulisane. And then mase kuzokwenziwa mase kuzoba ama-event ngizonitshela. Yeah, so I'm signing out. Danko.